between the corner right there.
Oh, man. Help!
Thank you, dude.
Screwed up.
Oh, come on, getting it wrong.
Oh, no, again.
Wait. You gotta wait for him to Steve's past you. Go now.
Damn, the car feels shit. It's a wet track. Tires aren't grabbing. Let me get 2 laps in clean. I can work my way back up, hopefully. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm not going to jump here anymore.
Hello. Alright, so we got Steve back on one, and the Shard is actually gaining on Omar right now. So the box we watch right now is going over a double-double. But I'm telling you, that's a very Gina, please move out of the way. Up top, stay up there, yep, thank you. There we go, move out now. Thank you very much. So the two-way battle going down the straightaway is Jack, Omar, and Richard. They charging over the triple up. Omar trying to take it in and out, trying to road star Jack below, but he didn't make it. They do the double-double, and now they're going over the back double. Omar kind of chase it. Oh, he jumped up. Oh, he almost touching Jack. Take it easy. Oh, he jumped right over him. A world star from Omar. Oh, I didn't right through it in the split. There's a 1, 2, 3 down the straightaway. Oh, Omar's gonna get the worst of that one. Oh, I need. Oh, Stephen. Oh man, this is crazy right here. So 1, 2, 3. They go for the double-double. Oh my goodness. So it's Steve, Jack, and Steve is gonna get it wrong. Omar's gonna take over the second spot. Oh, and Jack Bonhomme is Mr. Consistency. So he's gonna just take his time and try to prove the race. Alright, Omar is trying to get on the inside. Oh, Jack touches him and puts him in the fight. And here comes Steve with the World Star. Wait, Omar, you gotta be with the spot back. Alright, thank you very much, sir. Oh, sure is. Oh man, Steve get the brunt of that one. So Omar now, so Mr. America now is in the top spot. Oh, Omar is gonna get it wrong. Here comes Steve. Oh, Steve is gonna get it wrong too. Oh, he made the double triple double. As they come down the straightaway, Omar is gonna slide out. But as I said, if you let Mr. Consistency get away, you're done for. So he's going over the double-double right now. He's not jumping it, he's doing double singles. So he's squaring up. So you gotta pay attention to Mr. Jack Bonhomme. He's Mr. Consistency. He's gonna run away with that if you give him a chance. And he's putting in good laps right now. Take it out. So Omar, you need 2 seconds. Jack is right there, but Jack is taking his whole little time. He's rolling it. And he's rolling it. He's doing a good job. So they come down the straightaway now. First and second. Omar is on his kite up, but he's going to get into the middle. You can go. Alrighty. So it's Jack, Omar.
1 minute left.
And Steve. We got a minute to go, so we got a minute to decide this one. Oh, Omar gotta try to cruise it in again. Machine, that's first and second coming up on you. Give us the rules, thank you. This is, oh, Amari landing loaded up bumper. Oh, he touched. Oh, no foul. Oh, boy, this is a good one. With 38 seconds to go. Here's Jack Amar. And Amar is really trying to put it in there. You got to pass some clean. Oh, my God, Amar star. Oh, he beat it down the one. So 1-2. And he takes that spot, but he's going to make a big mistake. Let's win right now. So as they come down the straightaway, they got 14 seconds to go. Oh, he's gonna shoot it out. Oh my goodness, he puts it on the inside. Here we go. This kid, oh, come on, my man, who's that? Those two cars are
Sharif, is that you?
All right, that's time, guys. Oh, bring out.
Steve Flynn done.
Oh, yeah, and it's gonna be a straightaway. Right now,
First shot, Wilson done. Stefan out done.
Yeah, Omar is going to finish in second.
All right, I think I won.
Done.
Oh my goodness, that was a close race right there.